Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
3 years after the demise of Eze Vincent Ogbonaya Okoro, the late Eze-Aro of Arochukwu Kingdom in Abia State, the Okenachi royal family met, deliberated and screened 2 of his eligible sons as possible successors to the throne of Arochukwu Kingdom. Between Mazi Godwin Kanu Ide and Prince Eberechukwu Oji, the selection committee decided that Prince Eberechukwu Oji will be the next Eze-Aro of Arochukwu Kingdom. With the fulfillment of initial traditional rites, December 26, 2023 was fixed for the public coronation of Prince Eberechukwu Oji. Abia State government suspended all activities about the coronation of the Eze-Aro of Arochukwu Kingdom. However, the people of Arochukwu, popularly known as Umuaro, are yearning and asking for immediate coronation of Prince Eberechukwu Oji as the Eze-Aro of Arochukwu Kingdom. The Okenachi royal family of Arochukwu Kingdom is made up of 3 ruling houses, namely Asioke Okenachi, Kanu Okoro Okenachi, and Oji Okoro Okenachi. It has the primary responsibility of choosing a traditional ruler for the Arochukwu Kingdom whenever the need arises. Upon the demise of the last Eze-Aro of Arochukwu Kingdom 3 years ago, the Okenachi royal house went to work to ensure it provides a suitable monarch for the kingdom. However, while the selection process was on, young members of the family met and convinced the elders to look towards the younger generation.
If you look at what is happening in other parts of the nation, everybody knows the story of the Olu of Warri, a very young man who became the Olu of Warri, the Oni of Ife, a very young man who became, and in many other places where young, enterprising, professional people were brought forward. We said, it's time that Aro goes through some kind of transformation so that we allow the young people who are blue bloods, who are born into the kingdom. As a result, 2 possible candidates were thrown up: Prince Eberechukwu Oji from the Oji Okoro Okenachi house and Mazi Godwin Kanu Ide from the Kanu Okoro Okenachi ruling house. They both underwent a rigorous screening process that saw them being interviewed severally by the selection committee. At the end of the exercise, the selection committee set up by the Okenachi Royal House decided that Prince Eberechukwu Oji will be the next Eze-Aro of Arochukwu Kingdom. Prince Oji then proceeded with the traditional rites of presentation to different communities in Arochukwu, after which the 26th of December 2023 was set up for his coronation. Apparently dissatisfied with the verdict of the selection committee, Mazi Ide resorted to self-help and took matters into his hands by stage managing a kangaroo coronation presided over by a traditional ruler of an Arochukwu subclan, Eze Ibomisi Mazi Kanu Nwakanu Okereke. According to Eze Ibomisi, he decided to perform the coronation because Prince Eberechukwu Oji cannot be Eze-Aro as his father is still alive.
We call whoever buried his father, we call that person Mazi. Before you become Mazi of a family, you are an owner of that family. Not one Mazi. Eber is still in one Mazi. Somebody's father is still living. Can never be as of Aro.
Debunking Eze Ibomisi's position, Mazi Nwosu Basi Nwosu, another monarch of a subclan in Arochukwu Kingdom, says no tradition or culture exists in the kingdom that forbids a son from becoming an Eze while his father is alive, as his own father was crowned Eze Amukwa while his grandfather was alive.
That's my grandfather. Handed over to my father in 1936. Then my grandfather died in 1949. Other places in this community in Arochukwu that had the similar things, development.
Business mogul Mazi Sam Ohwabua say it is absolutely irrelevant whether or not an Eze-Aro's father is alive or dead.
We shouldn't have gone ahead to crown. At least today we'll have something to be talking. As we're in this village, that everyone got to say, his objections, are they valid? Do we agree that somebody whose father is alive shouldn't be Medese, who is second son? The community can debunk it and then we'll override it. We'll not say, we have debunked you, go ahead and crown this guy. I can say my point. But he took a decision, which he did on his own, and that's where some people hold him, including myself, that he has acted in haste. Eze Aro is a reverse Jew. It should be somebody who is venerated, somebody who is honorable, a person of integrity, who has charisma. Because if you don't have charisma, you can't lead.
Act by the illegal coronation conducted by Eze Ibomisi, Mazi Kanu Wakanu, the Abia State government immediately suspended Eze Ibomisi as a traditional ruler in the state and set up a panel of inquiry to investigate the circumstances surrounding the clandestine and illegal coronation. To prevent any possible breakdown of law and order and to enable the Abia State government make a firm pronouncement on the matter, it ordered the postponement of the coronation.
Government is trying to bring peace, not to meddle in the affairs of the people. And the government has effectively bring peace to Aro Kingdom.
Prince Orji is also the choice of the Okenachi family, as well as the Council of Traditional Rulers in Arochukwu Kingdom, Ndiezeogo, who issued a statement signed by his chairman, His Royal Highness Solomon Akan, in support of Eberechukwu and asked all Umuaro to support the young prince as the next Ezearo of Arochukwu Kingdom. As the Aro people await the conclusion of the panel of inquiry by the Abia State government, they are earnestly looking forward to the coronation of Prince Engineer Eberechukwu Orji as the next Ezearo of Arochukwu Kingdom in a not-too-distant future.
I don't see anything that will make people to be dragging about his or him not to rule. He is capable of ruling.
He's a man we need, a man with vision and mission, a man that will listen to the people's cry. We don't want a person that will not attract anything. So I say that they should allow the man to be the king of this Arochukwu.
Inside the Niger Delta,